What do you think of when I say, be a man, this, or this? What do you think of when I say man who has a mental illness, this, or maybe this? What if I told you that mental illness is caused by parts of your brain malfunctioning as a result of being overworked, underworked, or not properly wired? And what if I told you that your brain is a lot like this car's engine? Let me spin it around for you. You need fuel, you need spark, you have wiring and control module. Your brain has all these things too. And you want to get the best performance out of your engine, so you maintain it with service intervals, pay attention and inspect when it's running a little off. Sometimes there are jobs that you don't want to tackle, so you will need to take it to a specialist who has the right knowledge and tools. There's no shame in that, right? And if wanting to get help makes you feel weak, well, think of it this way instead. The negative thoughts and emotions are the dirty oil of your brain. If you don't drain that oil periodically, it will wear out components, which will wear out other components, and you could end up with engine failure, having to rebuild, and we want to prevent that. So regular maintenance, paying attention, and flushing out that dirty oil, or feelings, appropriately, can help your engine stay strong and powerful. Be a man.